Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share a photo story on Facebook using the latest PC update. If you've got a great photo you want to share with your friends, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to do it. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a section at the top where you can create a story. Go ahead and click on Create a Story. Next, you'll have a few options for creating your story. Since we're focusing on photo stories, select the option that says Create a Photo Story. This will allow you to choose a picture from your computer to share. After that, a file picker will open. Simply select the photo you want to share and click Open. Your photo will appear in the story editor, ready to be customized. If you'd like, you can crop or rotate your photo to make it look just right. There are simple tools available right on the screen to adjust the image as needed. Once you're happy with the photo's appearance, you're almost done. Now, it's time to share your photo with your friends. To do this, click on Share to Story. Your photo will instantly be added to your Facebook story, visible to all of your friends. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've shared a photo story on Facebook. It's a great way to keep your friends updated and showcase your favorite moments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.